Stick technology, tough and durable. It locks in your food's goodness. Then bring.
Oh, you took off yours. What's up?
We've had money taken from her wallet tonight.
Really?
In the last couple of hours. But you're the only person that's been home.
Wasn't me, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. I've been upstairs and I saw you in the kitchen. I haven't taken any money, sorry, Brian. I'm sorry, I'm being serious.
Thing is, this has happened. This is probably the fourth time now, that cash has been taken off us. Are you sure if I go in your room I'm not going to find $60?
I've got cash in my wallet, so, and I've got a $100 note and three $20 notes and some coins, so.
Well, there's 3 $20 notes missing from my wallet right now.
Can you prove that you've taken out $60 lately?
I can't prove it. So.
Can you show us the $60?
Yes. I'll just do that just a minute.
Did anything get stolen off your last flatmates? Is that why they left?
No.
Do you know if he's stolen before?
No.
This has happened a lot, this but fifth time off, I say.
Really?
Yeah. The last time was when Chris came back by himself from, where did he come back from?
I don't know when he went away.
He just have $60 that just got taken from her wallet. Don't touch the money bag.
Oh, so you want somebody to show you? Or?
Yeah, just.
So I've got a $100 note, 3 20s, and.
So why can't you prove that you've taken out $60 or something like that?
Because I was given, you know, I went to that conference thing, and I got this $200 note. Did I tell you about that? That's why I have one of these. So that conference, and I didn't break it until recently because I don't break $100 notes generally speaking, because I was kind of special because I don't generally get a lot of them.
So
and
you don't reckon my fingerprints would be on those bills then?
No, I mean, you could check.
Tell me.
Yeah.
I might have to, eh?
Okay.
Are you sure you don't want to say anything?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Did you take money out of my wallet?
Just this once.
This isn't the first time.
I'm taking money from you any other time, but.
But this isn't the first time that money's been taken out of my wallet. And I had money in my bedroom and it was taken.
I've never been in your bedroom.
No,
So you took money out of my wallet?
Yes, I did this time. I'm sorry.
Whoa! That's like so inappropriate! That's like so wildly inappropriate, Chris. This is ridiculous. Like, this is really, really inappropriate. Like, you can't take money out of people's wallets. Like, you asked me for bills today, and I told you we can't even afford bills until next week because we're waiting for StudyLink to come in. You stole from me? I'm absolutely baffled right now. I've never been stolen from, let alone felt so crazy in my life because I looked in my wallet and I was like, I haven't spent any of this money. You're making me feel mental.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's alright. We're gonna need, I don't know, no, we're gonna need the bond put back and in our account.
Yep.
And I don't know.
Have you ever stolen?
No.
Do you ever know that your brother's stolen?
No, sorry.
No, this he didn't know.
Sure.
Yeah.
You should be really embarrassed.
I am embarrassed.
You're gonna be a doctor?
Hey, that's
You're
enough.
gonna...
That's enough.
It was 2 weeks, is that correct, the bond?